Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Netflix movies straight into Gallery. And is it really possible or not? First of all, let's just be clear. It is 100% not possible, because downloading Netflix movies straight into your phone gallery is not possible. Why? Because Netflix uses encryption and DRM protection. So any downloads basically will stay locked inside the Netflix app only, and they cannot allow you to or allow it to show up in your normal photo/video gallery. So short answer is no, you cannot. And of course, this is because of copyright protection, so you can't find them in your phone gallery or the Files app, and you'll not be able, of course, to transfer them to other people. That's why they don't let you, of course, to download it into your phone. But if you download any, you'll be able to watch them inside the app, of course, in the offline tab, even if you don't have internet. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.